Good afternoon and welcome back to the next Celica video, my 1991 Toyota Celica GT. And in this video we're going to try to free off a sticky caliper. So if you remember in the last video, this caliper was sticking really badly. I've tried the old pumping it out with the one brake pad out, try to free it off, but obviously that's not going to do it. So next thing I'm going to do is try to pull the piston out and clean the caliper inside and out, and that should make it move a bit more freely. Well, I've got the mole grips on it just to clamp the line so I don't lose much fluid, and then just get this caliper off and then undo the brake line. It's actually a banjo fitting is the brake line, so unscrew the bolt and out it comes. So with the caliper out on the bench, I've checked the bleed nipple, make sure I can unscrew it, that's alright. Now I've got a bit of protection here. What I'm going to do is going to get my air line in and just use air pressure to push the piston out so it go, and as you can see, just take it easy, and that's why I've got the glove on for a bit of protection. It's push the piston out. So basically that's the condition of the piston, and the fluid looks a bit manky, so I should be able to get this seal out without too much trouble from gentle. Probably squirt a bit of penetrating fluid, but you have to be careful when you're pushing pistons out because you don't do any damage. I might need a pick for this. Clean up some horrible old fluid. Just clean that up a bit. Get this seal out without damaging it. It looks to be intact. Don't risk tearing the rubber. In fact, I might give that a miss. So I'll start giving this a clean inside because obviously it's sticking. So, grab some brake cleaner. And trust the kitchen towel. Just give it a quick wipe down first. Actually, the piston doesn't look too bad. Just give it a clean, and then we'll do the same inside the piston. Give it a blast of brake cleaner in here as well. No, that doesn't look too bad, it's not. Put a bit on that edge, so we'll give that a clean. Now I've got my pillar drill just above here, which I'm going to move at some point. In fact, before we do anything, I'll just push this brake piston back in. I'm going to do that though, but it might be a bit difficult to get that back in. Because I don't want to do any damage to this. Okay, rest of this clean. So I'll just plug in this pillar drill. So everything's buttoned up. I've bled the brakes on this side. I've operated the pedal, pressed the pedal. As you can see, no more binding, so I might as well do the same to the other side. I'll do it off camera because it's same as before. Just have a look on that. I mean, that's not too bad, but I might as well free it off completely. Makes sense to do it while I'm at it, so get that done. So that's both calipers, front calipers that are freed off and not binding anymore. So I'm going to wrap it up for this particular video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell for notifications. Comments and questions, you know what, put them as ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.